Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have someone with us who is we have a topic to discuss, and she's going to contribute. I'm going to contribute as well. We want to talk about this topic together. So guys, introduce yourself.
Hi guys, uh, my name is Lisa. So I'm here to. I'm not so good with this social media stuff. This is my first time.
I practically dragged her here. Yes, I'm not saying to anybody.
You know, so one please pardon my because at times I can change to pidgin. You know we worry people now. I know as they go.
It's not all about English, guys. That's why we are talking about African people here. So anyone that does not understand our English, if you don't get what you want, so I better flag more for the channel. You understand? Feel free to flag. Okay. Look for a Nigerian person to translate for you, or just flag. So continue.
Today we are talking about Germany, single parents in Germany. What are the causes of single parent, and what are the significance and what are the consequences on the children? Why is it that men are leaving their wives and their children, and why is it that women are leaving their husbands? So I don't know, what's your opinion?
You're just going to be bringing your opinion, and I'm also going to bring my opinion.
Okay.
We are not going to share the same values, just like everyone out there. But I will bring my values and my point, and you're also going to bring your, because my kind of point is going to help someone out there, and your kind of point is going to help someone out there. Okay. It's just to show that I might not be so right, and you might not be so wrong. If we talk together, adult it together with each other, things will be fine. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, I really want to share my mind. Just a short video. I want to rush it.
Yeah,
there's no time. A lot of, if you come to Germany today, you see a lot of single mothers with children going. The Germans are asking questions. Why is it that one lady will come to Germany with one woman,
with one child,
one child, and later you see that he will later give birth to two or three,
in the number of 3 years or 2 years.
She have given birth to like 2 or 3 children, and they are not seeing the father. But these women, Germans are thinking, and they are really looking. Because you said your husband run away. How come you are getting pregnant and giving birth to more children?
And please, we are making this video to help you guys, because you are the one crying, shouting. What do we do? Single mothers, they are attacking us everywhere. You did something wrong. So don't take this video as an offense. Instead, listen to it and take sense for his side. That's what I would just say. Take the better word for his side. That is what I'm just going to say. Okay. Don't just say, well, they are accusing us, because you know deep down that this thing we are talking about is true. It's true. We need to address it. Because a lot of people will be crying, oh, that they oppress me because I'm a single mother. They are oppressing me. No one is oppressing you. You are the one oppressing yourself. If you think about the things you are doing, you will know that it's not right. And you will know the way to make it right. So you can continue.
Well, what I have to say is, mothers, please. Though yes, the man might be a bad man. Maybe you get some complaints, say, the guy not good, the guy do this, guy they beats me, stuff like that. But I beg una, in the name of God. So
okay, guys.
More gonna think about the children. More gonna think about the feelings of these children.
Yeah.
More gonna think about, because these children, at the end, they will be traumatized, because some children, they go school.
Yeah.
When they reach school, most especially during the holiday period,
yeah,
the other children will be saying, my father take me to so place.
Yeah,
my father, you know. And now your own child will come back home. Children, they think,
yeah,
you know, this thing will become trauma to these children at the end of the day.
Yeah.
Not think of just you alone. Our parents, despite all what our father did to our mothers, they still remain there because of us. you know. So the thing they wonder me now when I see, you know, they say your child is too stubborn because you are the only one taking care of this child. That's why the child is so stubborn. There is no father there. There's no figure of a father there to say, come on, keep quiet. You know, that's the reason why.
Excuse me. Talking about these kids being stubborn, that their father is the reason that they are stubborn, I don't quite agree with that.
No, that's not what I said. What I mean is there is no,
because there is no father figure.
There's no father figure. Yes. You know, just like for instance now in those days, our mother will say your father is coming for you today.
Yeah,
that fear will be there.
Yeah, okay, I kind of get it.
You understand?
Okay, yeah.
So that fear will be there. My father is coming today.
Yeah.
You know, I've seen a man. The man lives apart from his children and
yeah.
But immediately their mother just called that I will call your father. And immediately their father called and shout. They will just arrange themselves together.
Yes.
You know.
Okay, guys. Please. Okay, guys. I get the point she's saying. The reason why I stopped her first is because, you know, some men also improve negativity into life of kids. Like if a man is violent, if a man does things that he's not supposed to do, like some children have become bad today because of their father presence. So we are not saying being a single mom is bad, but we are saying the way these women are doing it, it's bad. It's bad. This is what we are really talking about. And most of the women these days don't really want to endure anymore. When we are talking about endure, it's not when man just do small thing, you just say you don't finish. This is what we are talking about here, so that before you say we start judging you, we are not judging you guys. We know it's not easy to be with someone else from a different background, you know, someone that was brought up differently, you were brought up differently. It's true love, and if it's not working out, it's not working out. But we are talking about these women purposely doing it. They are doing it on purpose. This is the people we are talking about, not someone going through domestic violence. We don't advise you to sit down there, because your kids will also like take attitude from this man. Okay, so continue.
Yeah, like what my sister just rightly said, I agreed with her. We are not saying that if you are domestically abused by a certain man, you should remain there. No. But because if you remain there, your child can emulate such character. But in the other hand,
the child can also be traumatized.
So in the other hand, we also have people who, I know someone who, you know, who purposely, I don't know, some people
not someone, most of them they purposely. I'm not saying it highly. Una know, we are saying more you pidgin English talking. Most of una bad one. Una bad one say una say my husband dey come tomorrow. Before una look and that Friday go give una belle. Before una Saturday go give una belle. Now all this type of we dey talk to. So later now una come see una fellow woman wey dey suffer for your husband as now one scatter and now we dey talk to. So later now say German government dey pursue una. Now they pursue una sef. You get it? You can't be pregnant for Friday, be pregnant for Saturday, be pregnant for Sunday, and you are saying you're making a mistake. You are not making a mistake. Because if you make a mistake, a child can never be a mistake. You should be responsible enough for, there is a mistake one, they say one business twice shy. You should make a mistake once, the second time, and you will know that, oh, I fell a victim for the second time. But the third time, the fourth time, I don't agree with you. And I know you yourself, you don't agree with yourself. So we are trying to caution you guys how to live a more better life, a more comfortable life. Not only for yourself. Don't be selfish. This is selfishness.
No, it's
for the children.
Sorry to cut you.
For like, the children.
You made a statement that I don't agree with.
Yeah.
You said some of these women, though it was not a mistake, because we have some women who purposely want to have children for different men.
That's what I said. It's not a mistake.
Okay.
Yeah.
But there are some women also who didn't wish themselves.
Wish themselves. No woman will wish herself that.
You understand? But when you get pregnant for a man, and at the end of the day, the man starts seeing faults. Maybe you were slim before. Later now you become fat. The man will start seeing faults. That you are not sexy enough again for them. You know. He start looking outside. He starts seeing some, there he say, oh, my woman is not good again. You know, he now leave that woman and go and start chasing other women. And left the person with a child. The woman cannot just sit down and fold his hand and say, I'm waiting for Langbaja, he will come back.
No.
He will move on with her
that is what I also said. I said when you make a mistake once, you make it twice, it's understandable. But 3 times, 4 times, it's not understandable to me. Because to me, these children that they are giving birth to, the first one is from a different father, fine. The second one is from a different father, fine. What about the third one, the fourth one? And none of these children have their father figure in their life. Do you understand me? To make a mistake once or twice is not a problem, but the 3 times I find it a problem. Because if like a man, as she said, a man abandons you for the first time, for the second time, the third time, you will want to be ready. You will want this man to be ready, to be sure, go into marriage if possible, before you have this child. At least people will see that it's not her fault. She even got married to this man before this man comes to change. And you are not cursed. By God's grace, you will not go into a mistake the first, second, and third time. So this is what I'm trying to say. Okay. I'm not saying that you guys are perfect, but I'm saying that if it happened the first time, the second time, the third time, the fourth time, my guy, I'm saying it like it's like you are enjoying it. Because this suffering, to take care of child is suffering.
Yeah,
it's suffering. It's not easy. It's not easy. I actually feel for them, but the way I now see their character is so I don't really know how to describe it. It's not easy. If you see these women taking care of a child alone, it's not, even when a man and a woman is staying at home, when your man go outside for a few hours or go to work, only you are at home with these kids. It's big work.
Another point I want to contribute before we go off.
Yeah.
Like now we said domestic violence. But normally in Africa, our parents, some of these parents beat up their wives. They don't even decide to say, I'm not doing again. But any little quarrel, even they never even beat the person, Kuma, you don't call police for Deutschland. You don't throw away the man property, luggage from window. You know, small quarrel when not
America woman will be say African mama.
You understand?
Get away, surely follow window.
It doesn't matter. So they never even quarrel. They never even do any small mistake when the guy go do. The woman will say, "I'm not they do again." If you want to see you, what did they worry you? Because only waiting they worry you. You don't call police. Most of the time, most of the time, now the woman say go first slap the man, bang. They know men now. They know they vex their body. They hot.
African
men, you know now. The next thing don't come. You know which man, African man, you want slap when you go say, I want bearer for body. He want retaliate. From there, retaliation now. The woman now go call police. If they say the matter, the woman can't call police go come now. Many things go come happen. If they say the matter, so maybe they apply wisdom. Most I don't see most women for Deutschland here. The problem when they separate, they not reach anything. Just because they don't see am say an opportunity for Deutschland now. They won't take that opportunity, can't use them extraordinarily. They won't use them extra. You dey say they can't overdo them because of say Deutschland don't give them the opportunity to fling man outside. I
have a question for you.
Okay.
Because you said our mama they beat the that year for Nigeria. They stay.
Yes, now.
My sister, that's wrong. Guy, Mona not listen to her. You must see women.
You don't understand. Normally, you don't understand. Normally, na more face fact. You don't understand. Small slap. You don't call police.
Nothing like small slap. Mona not. I'm against it. Nothing like small slap they have big slap.
No.
Nothing like small slap. See, I might tell them why is it.
No, I know. See, where the one.
All this kind of they give all the baba.
Wait, see me. I tell you, calm down. The one I dey engaged. Now the one be say when the guy don't drink finish. You don't understand? Because I have a victim. I'm a victim. You understand? So. Not the one where we say if you don't drink, you don't smoke, you understand, begin beat you. You begin to deposit it on you. That one is wrong. That one, yes, the neighborhood can can call police. Even you can call police because you want to save your life. You understand? Because when somebody is drunk and has finished one anything bottle and is now returning using you as a punching bag. You understand? That is transferring the aggression of the alcohol on you. You know. you can call police.
Yeah.
There not be
but wait,
little
me,
argument.
I still have it, not argument, but when the man hits you, it's not necessary that you call. Police must not even separate you now. When the man hits you, you have the right to say, now I don't want this relationship, because from hitting, not be by drink. Some men are not drunk before they hit a woman. Like she said now that our fathers back home in Africa, not even back home, up till now, they still beat our mothers, and our mothers are there. And they say, I'm staying here for the kids. I'm suffering for you. But you know that most of these our men, not most, all of our men now, you know that this their beating now, this their authority they have now. You know that they learned it from our father. Because they feel like back home, my partner they talk, my mama talk. I may come they talk, my wife will come they talk. So this thing, this our husbands now, they learned it.
But wait, I tell you something. Listen, you see one thing there. I come across a video on the internet, and the woman, she's an ostrich.
Yeah.
She's from Australia, Australia or Austria. Yeah. You know, this lady said the reason why black men are leaving the white ladies is because white women talk shit. Yeah. Now our women now are emulating these white people. Yeah. You see a woman, normally when your husband talk, you have to keep quiet.
Of course.
So that's what the Bible says. It says you should honor your husband.
Your husband is the head. You should be the neck.
Yes.
You should be the neck. But that beats you the son on me, because I've seen a lot of people die through violence.
I know that. I'm not in support of a man aggressively beating his wife. But the point is, our women, that most of them don't have respect for their husband. That's the reason why.
Nobody's not of them. No fear.
Yes,
no papa,
they don't honor their
man. Myself, now they send their things. So
some of these men, they out of the one that say I don't feel beat, because if I beat Anna, police will come. They pack their load and run away. Because of the kind of attitude the woman is exhibiting. So some women, I'm not saying all women in Germany, some of these women, their attitude is zero. No man will want to live with a woman that he cannot control. We know it right from time. Men love women who are humble, women that behave like as if they are mugu. That does not mean that you are a fool, but you just let the man have his way. Later you can say, okay honey, why don't we do it like this? Not that you want to be it, because the law now favors women. You now want to raise your hand and say, yeah, I am the head. You want to take the position of your husband in the house.
It's like you are shining him.
Yeah, that is not correct. You must be in your position. The Bible says that you should be submissive. The man is the head. The man should show you love. You submit. Show your submission. If the man then refuses to show his love to you, then but they know that our women here now, they are behaving like as if they are the men. They are behaving as if they are the head. What they say is final. I've seen a lot of women like that. They are the ones saying the final thing. The decision taken in the family, they are the one taking it, and it is wrong. Let's face fact. We know that Oyibo people, they do like that, but we are not Oyibo. We are Africans.
It's not even. We are not talking about Oyibo yet. It's against the law of nature and the law of God. It's not about Oyibo. If you should treat someone. That is what the Bible says. Treat someone the way you want to be treated. There is nobody you will respect, and the person will give you irrespect back. And there are some men who are ingrate. If you just start respecting them, they will want to use you as rag. It's acceptable, but we just want to say what this video is all about is that be considerate. Be considerate of the future of these children, because a lot of these children are going through pain deep down. They'll be like, it's only my mom that I'm seeing. My father is not here. They are going through a lot of emotional stress.
Yes,
I've seen a child. Video is here.
I asked a child I asked him what's the name of your father? I said, I don't know my father. I don't know, stuff like that. How will you train a child when he or she does not know his father? It is wrong. This thing is really affecting these children. At the end, these children will be traumatized. Please, we should consider their own feelings, not our feelings alone. We should also consider the feelings of our children.
So guys, this is the end of the video. As you can see, It's not a lot because we don't have a lot of time on our hands, but maybe next week we'll try to like complete the video and make a part. You guys can ask questions on what you feel that is wrong, or bring your opinions. And we are surely going to make a part 2 on this video because there is no time today, but we just want to drop it here. The main reason we drop those videos because a lot of kids are suffering from emotional trauma because of the mistake of their fathers and their mothers. And this is not right. If you want to give birth to a child, it should be because you want to love this child, you want to protect this child, not give this child trauma, not give this child pain. The child will feel miserable, like he or she regrets being born, and you doesn't feel it. You don't even know that your child is going through such a thing. This is the reason why we should consider these children. A lot of children are going through a lot. They are going through a lot, though they are not willing to share and they are so scared to share. And this also impacts in their future. You know, it makes their future not supposed to be bright the way it's supposed to be. So it's because of these children we are making this video. Be considerate, please. Be considerate of these children. Be considerate of yourself also. If your child is really happy, genuinely happy, you yourself, you will be happy. It's the truth. When your child is frustrated, there is no way you will be happy. You can claim to be happy, but you will never be happy.